Hello, I thought I'd just quickly show you how to share materials. I've gone into my emergency classroom, which hasn't got anything in it. So this is sort of acting like a individual tutor's class for their tutorial, where so there's nothing in it at the moment. And what I want to do is to take some resources from somewhere else. If you click on the classwork and then create, and then reuse post, and then these are all of my classes, of which obviously there are hundreds, but for you guys, there won't be. So you go to where you want to borrow the stuff from. So if I wanted to copy across to my emergency classroom the resources from my NEA, I can go in and I can either select the individual ones I want, or down here, if I click create new copies of all attachments, everything that is on that other class will be then reused in the new class. And I'm not going to do that. I'm not actually going to press reuse because I don't want to do that right now because I don't want to populate my class. But that's how you reuse materials. Okay, so just to reinforce that, you click on classwork, you click on create, you click on reuse post, you go to the other class. So whether that's the main tutorial one, you click on that. And then presumably teachers are going to be doing all of the attachments. And then what it will do is follow exactly the same formatting that you've got on that original class. So if I go back into the one I'm trying to nick things from, which is that one, it will copy everything. So it'll have all of the topics. It'll look exactly the same as what is set up on the original one, which I think is what you want to do. So that's how you copy materials. Your other question, which was asking about preventing teachers from deleting things, it doesn't have that hierarchy in Google Classroom. If you are inviting teachers to join it as teachers, so here I've got Dan, Anne and Fergus all on the same class, all of those three will have exactly the same editing rights. So feasibly they could delete things, they could move things. You can't have different hierarchy for teachers. Teachers are just teachers in Google. One way around that might be putting the materials into Google Drive and asking the teachers to put them into their own class rather than copying them, because then you can protect that resource. But maybe we need to talk about that. But at the moment, you wouldn't be able to prevent teachers from deleting things. You just have to ask them not to, I guess. Anyway, hopefully this is helpful.